So, hi dear Libra, very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is a journal of reading for all the Libra, Sun, Moon, Venus, or Rising from 20th till the 26th of July 2026. Roles can be reversed also, and if it is not resonating, this is definitely not your story. Please don't try to forcibly fit yourself into the reading, honey. Sometimes the messages are not for you, okay? For personal reading healing session, check out the description box. Will find the links below. And for tarot reading course and Ho'oponopono masterclass, two links are given below. So let's start. Okay, Libra. Your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment. Let's see what we have. Your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment are. Let's see what we have. We have the Eight of Pentacles. This is somebody who feels like putting in the efforts and energy step by step in a situation, making something work out with their efforts and investment. Okay, creating something beautiful. That's what they feel. Let's clarify the Eight of Pentacles as their feelings. This person feels like going step by step, like as if there are certain kind of steps you guys have to follow. Let's clarify this. We have the Hierophant, the Knight of Cups, and the Two of Cups. Yes, this person is feeling like making things go slow, but they feel like this situation have a potential to create a very meaningful and beautiful connection down the line. They feel the love, they feel the compassion, they feel the bonding, they feel the connection, and they feel like maybe down the line you guys can get married or get settled with each other. If you guys are already married or committed to each other, this person is feeling like making it go to the next level. Hmm? But slowly, gently, like a very gentle transition. Okay, so they feel love for you, they feel compassion for you, they feel like you might be the one for them. So that's why they feel like they should put in the effort and energy from their side in this situation to make it go somewhere deep and meaningful. Let's see, what do you feel about this particular person or situation from your side, Libra? We have the Four of Swords. From your side, you feel like you should just remain detached, and you should not get involved too much emotionally in a situation. Okay, you feel like letting things be. Let's clarify the Four of Swords as your feelings for this particular person or situation, Libra. We have the Six of Wands, the Queen of Pentacles, the Moon card. Yes, you feel like there are lots of things in the situation that are not fully expressed, fully revealed. There are a lot of secretive energies around the situation, mysterious energies, insecurities, maybe fears, or things that are not clear. So you feel like you also feel like this situation can be the one for you. This situation can have some kind of long term potential, but you are not very sure about it. So that's why you feel like remaining detached and not getting too much involved in the situation as of now, and you feel like letting things be for the time being, for right now. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them? We have the Sun card. This person wants to have all the happiness of the universe with you. Okay, they want to have happy go lucky relationship, a bond, strong bond where everything is crystal clear, and you guys are enjoying the bond with love and with soulmate kind of a dynamic. Let's clarify the Sun as their intentions. Beautiful, it's good. We have the Ace of Pentacles, the High Priestess, the Nine of Wands. You know, they want to start a chapter with you. Whatever your relationship status is, they want to go a little bit to the next level, very gently, but they don't want to make it look like a big deal. They want to, I don't think it is like just testing the waters with you. They want to enjoy the bond, enjoy the connection, enjoy the friendship, enjoy the love, but they don't want to give it a tag maybe, or give it a name, or make it look like you guys are changing things drastically here, if this is making any sense to you. So they want stability, they want happiness, they want this bond with you, they want to feel the connection with you, but at the same time they don't want to say much or do much about it. They just want to transition very smoothly from what it is to the next level, very slowly. So this person is able to see a future with you, right? Let's see, what do you want from this particular person or situation from your side, Libra? Star card. From your side, you just want to remain very optimistic and positive and open to the idea of healing the bond or remaining positive about the outcome that can happen in the coming future. Let's clarify the star. It's you guys are giving me a very smooth reading today. No obstacles, no challenges, no major issues happening. That's cool. Very cool. Thank you. We have the Ten of Cups and the Ace of Wands and the Eight of Pentacles. Yeah, both of you are feeling the same, both of you are wanting the same. The approach might be a little bit different, but both of you are on the same page. Yeah, you want to have this happily ever after kind of a deal with this person. Your intuition is aligned, your energies are aligned. You want to work on this situation step by step with this person and create a very beautiful, magical bond. Wow. And you want to remain very optimistic and open and positive to the idea of whatever is going to happen next. So, bingo, this is good. This is really beautiful and positive from both the sides. There are things that are not that much clear from your side because you think so, but I don't think so. That's a major issue or that's a major thing that's not sorted between you guys. Let's see what could be the possible outcome here for you guys till the what we have, honey. 26th of July 2026. Let's see what we have. We have the Six of Wands. It's like a very beautiful positive card of success and victory, plus somebody taking the other person as the apple of their eye, kind of a thing. Oh, this is cute. Let's clarify the Six of Wands as the potential outcome for you guys till the 26th of July 2026. We have the World card, the Three of Pentacles, and the Four of Swords. Don't tell me this. This is like a completion of a cycle between you and someone, right? And you guys are preparing yourselves, both of you, for the next cycle, for the next chapter. And before that next chapter, there is a pause. There's deliberate pause. There is a energy of okay. We will move to the next chapter, but let's take some time. Let's go in our individual lives and do our individual things, and we are going to reconnect again after a short break. I don't know, maybe one of you is traveling or one of you right now is doing something and they're busy with that thing and they are looking forward to have this next step with you, but not right now. There is a pause here. There is a period of let's take a break and then do it, kind of a deal here in the outcome. Let's see the guidance for you guys here for this month, for this week, honey. Sorry, Libra. We have the Nine of Cups, the Ace of Cups, and the Seven of Cups. Okay, all are cups here. First of all, you have to keep a check on your emotions. Your emotions might be all over the place. You are going to feel maybe overwhelmed. You are going to feel a lot of emotions coming up out of nowhere. It's like regarding this particular situation only, lots of confusion also, lots of ifs and buts and this and that also. So this is just your mind creating stories and scenarios in your head just to ruin your peace, just to ruin your happiness that you're sharing with other energy here. Don't listen to the negative shit that your mind is going to tell you. If you are feeling happy, if the other person is happy, if both of you are on the same page, you're enjoying the bond, you're enjoying the connection, nothing is difficult, nothing here seems like uh, wrong to me. Energetically, this is a freaking good match and both of you are on the same page. So you might get a little bit emotionally overwhelmed, okay, because of how good it is and how aligned it is and how beautifully things are moving forward. Don't get derailed. Don't feel like, oh my god, this is going down, something bad is about to happen or this or that. Don't do that. As long as you are going to stay in touch with your heart and soul, and as long as both of you are on the same page, I don't think so anything bad or anything wrong going here. This is a good freaking energetic match. Enjoy. Okay, don't create negativity around it forcibly if it's good. Cool. So let me answer one of your questions related to this particular situation of your life, Libra. This portion also might or might not resonate. If it does, good. If it doesn't, don't worry about it. Just let it be. I'm going to give you 15 to 20 seconds to get the answer. If that's not enough for you, you can pause and pause whenever you feel like. And if you're not going to get a clear cut yes or no, then you can take the message as the guidance for your situation if you want to. So let's start. You can close your eyes, take 3 deep breaths, ask your question 3 times in your mind space, keep it short, simple, and precise. And your time starts now. Okay, so the answer to your question is reconsider. What is that? Let me see, honey. What we have. Reconsider. This card suggests that what you are hoping for or trying to achieve in the way that you are currently approaching it might not be the best outcome for you. Think again and consider a different option. So, yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Libra. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. May existence bless you. Namaste.